Hello my friends, welcome to Prog Saturday. Porcupine Tree. I heard they're pretty good. Suggested by Lorenzo Molino, who says, for next week I suggest the sound of Muzak by Porcupine Tree. You won't regret it. Ha 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 ha. I hope I don't regret it, for your sake. Terry de Lobel, Casey Crimsoniano, Tim van Dijk. Greetings from South Africa. Greetings from South Africa. Oh. Groetjes terug. Pedro Montero, Danilvo Alves. They all suggest this song, Porcupine Tree, the sound of Muzak. No. It's Porcupine Tree. What can go wrong? In 3, 2, 1.
Hear the sound of music drifting in the aisles. The elevated Prozac stretching on for miles. The music of the future will not entertain. It's only meant to repress and neutralize your brain. So get squeezed out, edges get blunt. Demographic, here's what you want. One of the wonders of the world is going down. It's going down and down. It's one of the blunders of the world, and no one cares. No one cares enough. Now the sound of music comes in silver pills, engineered to suit you, building cheaper thrills. The music of rebellion makes you wanna rage, but it's made by millionaires who are nearly twice your age. So get squeezed out, edges get blunt. Demographic, here's what you want. One of the wonders of the world is going down. It's going down and down. It's one of the blunders of the world, and no one cares. No one cares enough. It's one of the wonders of the world is going down. It's going down and down. It's one of the blunders of the world, and no one cares. No one cares enough.
That hit the spot. Man, Porcupine Tree. Never gonna see them live. Oh well. Luckily, we still have Steven Wilson, one of the greatest musicians of our era. Remember that, my friends. Really enjoyed it. Porcupine Tree, you know, always delivers absolute quality. Love the soothing sound of this track, which almost all Porcupine Tree songs have. You just sit back and you go in your comfort zone and you just let it wash over you. They really have become one of my favorite bands, and you know, of course it's too bad they no longer are together anymore. But you know, we always have their videos, and again, this is a song. You know, it was not only Steve Wills, of course, but you know, they were all great musicians as far as I can tell, and they had a real chemistry with each other. And Steven Wills could really benefit from that. You know, he really could shine as the frontman, and he was for this band. You know, to have frontman like Steven Wilson is of course an incredible luxury. Hard to find musicians like him. And you know, a lot of we've saying he's not the world's greatest singer. No, of course that is true. But the frontman has to have more qualities than just only singing. He also have a certain chemistry with the other band members or with the audience. And it doesn't hurt that he can play a little bit of guitar, of course. Yeah, you know, he's an okay player. Yeah, another great song, guys. But Porcupine Tree has like 10 studio albums, still got a long way to go. Looking forward to it. Still love it that Steven Wilson still plays Porcupine Tree songs live. Really awesome. And if I understand correctly, they still I can't remember if he played this song. I don't think so. No. But he still plays this song live. Saw that in the other. Saw that on YouTube. So. And rightfully so, because it's another great track. Lucky to have all those great artists still around. Thanks so much for watching, my friends. Any more Porcupine Tree / Steven Wilson request, keep them coming, because I love the band and I love the guy. And let's make that thing clear. Hope you enjoyed the song, friends. If you liked this video, click on the like button, subscribe if you like what I do. See you next week on Prog Saturday. Bye bye.